to the ScamSlam channel. I'm here to bring you content from both shady and some not so shady individuals on TikTok. Ever scrolled through your For You page and come across a sketchy scam or a questionable character? Well, you're not alone, and that's where I come in. On this channel, I'll be diving deep into the world of TikTok to expose scams, scammers, and problematic content to steer clear of. From beggars, scammers, fakers, liars, abusers, and awareness creators that you watch, I'll be here to share it all. I'll be doing it all through showing live streams and adding in comments where appropriate. Be sure to look out for those red flags. So if you want to stay informed on what's really going on in the world of TikTok, then hit that subscribe button and join me on this wild ride. Let's expose the truth together, and reminder, don't send money to anyone on TikTok.
I have no idea. They just took my account, so I have no idea. Did it just hiss at me? I'm scared. I'm gonna have a heart attack today. I need to clean under the bed today when I wake up. There's probably a snack under there or something. I don't know. I don't see it though. It's so weird. I don't get it. I'm gonna take out the trash too today. I got everything cleaned out of my room, but yeah, it's still there. I don't know where, but it's still there. I'm scared. I love you guys, but oh my God. I could never get a break. Even if I wanted to. All I hear is fucking mouses. No, they're supposed to be in here, the spray, on the 22nd. Pest is, so I'm gonna tell them if they can set traps up while they're in here. Because I have to be gone for 2 hours. So I need to tell my landlord today that I am clean. There's only 2 dishes in the sink, or 3. 2 or 3. And the bathroom is clean. Everything is clean. I don't get it. Yeah, I clean enough, okay? I don't need no one telling me I need to clean more. Unless y'all want to come over here and clean for me. Yo, Brooke. No, I am not going to daze to sleep. Because he ain't gonna try to. Never mind. Not even gonna go there. Just gonna. My charger's on my bed. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna clean when I wake up. No, but they scare me. I know. No, I'm not saying I'm scared of it. No, I just don't want it to touch me, okay? My heart hurts so bad. What the hell? Oh yeah, guys, Dave tried to mess with somebody. Apparently Dave forced to kiss somebody and tried to FUCK them too. Oh no. And then the girl started coming at me, so yeah. Girls on crack. She moved out today. But apparently she got forced and stuff. Apparently Dave was kissing her every 5 minutes or something. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I think she is. Dave keeps saying I need to buy him a tire for his car, and I'm not doing it. Is it my responsibility to buy Dave a tire for his car? I gave him gas money, and I don't understand. No? Yeah. I know why he said that today, too. Yeah, y'all can probably just guess why. I know Brooke and Abby know why. I'm trying not to have an anxiety attack. Shaking my hand. I love you guys. Life is stressful. Also, Dave used some of my food stamps without my permission when he had my wallet that one night. Yeah. Because guess what? You want to know how much food I have left? How much food money I have left? Hi, Lisa. Oh. Dave used a lot of my food stamps, okay? Without my permission. Hi, very nice, Lisa. How are you? I'm gonna cry. Life is stressful. Next, I'm gonna get a noise complaint that I'm too loud. Of course. I got $8 left to the 7th. It's cool. I'm not worried. It's whatever. I'm annoyed as fuck. Like 75, 80. I'm emotional, y'all, also. Yeah, can I tell y'all I'm emotional really bad right now? Y'all wanna know why? Emotional. Because, yeah, I'm emotional. I don't have a dad because he's in there. You know what I'm saying? That. And then I tried calling my mom today, to be nice, blocked. I just wish I had a family, you know what I'm saying. And not always by myself, 24/7. You know how families go out and do things together? Yeah, I wish I was one of those. Guys, don't block Bobby. Wait. Also, I've been getting THREATs to my phone today. I just wish I had a family, Oh, it's cold. I'm just gonna stay on my bed. Ouch. Ow. No. 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 Me. Tell me that you need me. What happens when you're gone? You miss me when I'm gone. My parents lives. Moving on. When I'm gone. No, I can come to y'all. I might go to California, guys. Not right now, but like I might in a year make a vacation. I'm just gonna keep saving. Sleeping with the mice. Yeah. I'll sleep with the pet noise. I might as well just be a rat too. Hi. My bedroom. That's where it was. Depressed, y'all. I still haven't really been resting. I feel tired. Brookie Bear. Brooke. I need energy. I can't move. Is it bad if I overwork myself and I really, really can't move and I'm like tired as this tired? Should I even be this tired? It's the next question of life. No. I can't sleep. Guys, please stay up with me. Anybody want to? For a few more minutes, and then I'll go to sleep. Please, I can't. I'm scared. The mouse is gonna bite me in my sleep. Or I'm gonna hear chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, it's not funny. I really want a dog, or a cat. No, I really want a dog, guys. But my landlord said it has to be spayed and neutered. Why? Like, I just think it's wrong to do that. I don't understand. I mean, it's not wrong, but like, I'm against that. Like, so many questions. Oh, and I have to fill out an application. and get approved first. Yeah, haha, funny, right? Hey, so hilarious. I have to fill out a freaking form first and say what kind of dog I want, and this and that, and the third and the eighth, and then blah 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 blah. Oh, it's not funny, y'all. It's stressful. You have to go through 100 hoops for anything. Here, I'm thinking just give the landlord $200 and tell her what kind of animal you're getting and what size it is, and show her a picture of it and whatnot, and no, not at all. You have to, fill out paperwork too. Stressful. My life's a process. So is my brain. Brooke, go to bed. It is your bedtime. Abby, it's your bedtime too. Abby, it's your bedtime. Lisa, it's your bedtime. Arizona Mama, it's your bedtime too. Why are all you guys up right now? That's what I'm trying to wonder. Did y'all drink some coffee or some? Did y'all drink the coffee? Now you're up. Abby probably had some McDonald's. That's why she's up, or Taco Bell or something alright. She's probably munching away over there or something. You had an energy drink? Oh, that explains it, Brooke. Ooh, I want some chocolate milk and whipped cream. Ooh, chocolate milk and whipped cream is fire. Oh my god, it's delicious. Brooke's trying so hard to sleep, but she drank that energy drink, and her husband's probably gonna be wondering what she's still doing up at 2:38 in the morning. just if he wakes up, just show him the can. And say, "Oops, my bad. This is what I drink." Did you drink Monster? Probably so. Coffee, espresso, coffee shots, something crazy. Had to have drank one of the few bangs. Did you drink Monster, coffee? Ew, why does everyone drink that? Alani shit. Something's wrong with y'all. Alani's? Yuck. Well, Brooke. Guess what, Brooke? Are you gonna go to bed now? When are you going to bed? Hearts. Good night, Brooke. Text me when you wake up, Brookie Bear. Yeah, sure. And then I stayed up till like 3 in the morning. But you know what I was doing, so, you know. Yeah, I'm pretty much on track now, though, so. Yep. Brookie Bear, did you miss me? I missed you. Do you think I'm trying, Brooke Bear? Grandma, do you think I'm trying? Grandma, I'm doing good for myself. Lisa. Hey, Lisa. What are you doing? How many of y'all think I'm doing good right now? I'm so tired. Seems like I'm dying. How many of y'all think I'm doing good? I'm trying not to fall asleep. I'm dying. Hi, Amy. What's up? Oh, I don't know. I messaged her. She'll answer me yet. Let me shoot her another text. Hold on. Alright, I just sent her another 2 texts. Hi, Abby. I'm dead. Tired. Oh shit. Fucking dead tired, y'all. Oh my god. Shit. I feel dead. Did I even sleep last night? I don't feel like I did. I stayed up till 3 in the morning. I was getting some stuff accomplished. I was getting some stuff accomplished, you know. Brooke Abby knows. Right now I'm about close to the 8002, the H200. I'm trying to get to 1000 to the H2O, yeah. Oh shit. No, it's not funny, y'all. Right. Oh no. Abby and Brooke knows what I was doing last night. My man's in the Ow. Oh, my. Oh, no. Oh, no, it hurts. Like, I was dreaming about something last night. What was I dreaming about? I had a weird ass dream. What was it? No, I was dreaming about something alright last night. Okay? I don't even remember. It's even more fucked up, but I think I was dreaming about money. I don't know, but I woke up. Wait. I was dreaming about something alright. I don't know. It was something alright. It was something alright. Dave keeps texting me. He wants me to buy him a tire. I'm not buying him a fucking tire. I am not fucking buying him a tire. I'm not buying him a rubber tire. No, I cannot. No. Buy him a rubber tire today. The mouse. Buy him a muzzle. Dave said he wants me to buy him a tire if I can give him $50. A tire is not $50. Actually, I don't know how much a tire is. I don't think he's. He needs a muzzle. Oh my god, he said he's here outside my door. Shit. I'm playing dead. He's outside my door. He better not leave. What the hell? Hey, Jesus. I'm not buying no man a damn tire. I wouldn't even buy my man his own tire too. Think I'm gonna buy a guy a tire. Get out of here. I'll play dead instead. Oh, ouch. I have food here. I'm good. I don't need no help. No tire. No. I am not buying a tire. Play dead all day long. Well, he better go. He better. He better go find another way. I'm not buying nobody a damn tire.